First I'm gonna take a wet rag and clean off the tailpipe. And I'll wipe it with a dry rag. I'm going to start sanding with 400 grit. You can see it really cleans it up pretty fast at 400, so I'm going to go over this. Gone over it with the 400 grit, just the back side. I'll do the front of it later. Let's take a wet rag and clean this off and dry it. And there's probably 19 years of... When I was editing this video, parts of it, the ones after the 400 grit ended up not turning out. So what I did, after I went over this 400 grit wet or dry sandpaper, then I went over it with 800 grit, went over the whole thing with that, and then I went over it with 1000 grit wet or dry, 3M brand, and then I used the Mother's polish. So I wanted to throw that in there. I didn't want to leave out 2 of the sandpaper grits. Got a burr right there that's tearing my sandpaper. File that off, gone. So now gonna use some Mother's mag and aluminum polish. Use this stuff for many years. Stuff is great. And puts up on a clean rag. You don't need very much. Usually working in circles does the best job of cleaning and polishing. You know, rag just turns black. I'm gonna take another rag and wipe that off. And look at that shine. Whoa. That's unbelievable. Wow, look at that. That is crazy. I'll go over the rest of the tailpipe and then I'll show you the finished results. And after. Here's the tailpipe before. And there it is after going over with Mother's, and it is smooth. Before, it was all full of probably road tar and grime and stuff. This end, stainless does stain. I'm thinking what happens is condensation comes out of the engine, out of the exhaust and tailpipe, and it kind of wraps around here and it kind of etches the metal. So it is what it is, but it's a lot better than what it was. I mean, it's nice and shiny. Up in here, there's actually like some grooves in it. Must have been from when it was bent. This isn't cleaning up as nice as here, but really that's not going to be seen much, but this will, and it looks really nice. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.